Welcome to Part 3, Publisher Rocket's Competition Analyzer feature. In this video, we're going to explore Publisher Rocket's Competition Analyzer and discuss how you can use it to analyze your competition and better understand the market. And with that, let's begin. The Competition Analyzer was designed to help authors see what kind of competition they may face in ranking for a keyword phrase or term. Through this, you can see the books that show up on the first page for that term, along with the important information about each. Rocket shows the top 10 books that rank for the term because those 10, statistically speaking, get the most benefit from the keyword. In order for your book to benefit from the keyword, you need to beat the books currently ranking on the first page for that term so that your book is seen by shoppers when they type in that phrase. So now that we know the purpose behind the Competition Analyzer, let's perform an analysis. There are two ways you can implement the Competition Analyzer. The first is to click here or here on the home screen. This will create a pop-up where you can enter the keyword you want to check the competition for and select whether you want Rocket to do a book search or an ebook search. The second is through the keyword search feature. When you are using the keyword search feature of Publisher Rocket, after clicking the Analyze button, it will change to say Competition. Clicking the Competition button will take you to the Competition Analyzer for that particular keyword. And remember, if you did an ebook search in the keyword feature, then it will show the ebook competitors. And if you did a book search, Rocket will show you the book competitors. Once you are in the Competition Analyzer, Publisher Rocket will list the books that show up on the first page of Amazon results for that particular term. The list of competitors shown is the same as if you were to go to Amazon.com using an incognito browser window, select Book or Kindle Store in the dropdown, and then conduct your search. One thing to note is that just because you selected book doesn't mean Amazon chooses to show you only paperback books. Instead, the results can consist of paperbacks, hardcovers, ebook, and even audiobooks. Whereas if you select ebook, you'll only see ebook or audiobook versions in the list. Sadly, you'll notice some of the information for Audible books is missing. That is because Amazon doesn't publish information about their sales yet. Okay, now that we have the list of competitive books, let's look at the rest of the data presented in the Competition Analyzer. Going from left to right, each result starts with the book cover, title, and subtitle of the book. If you'd like to get a better look at a book cover, just hover over it and the cover will enlarge for you. Next, you will see what type of book is ranking for that keyword: book, ebook, or Audible. If the result is a book or an ebook, you will also see a link that says, See the categories. Just click that link to open a pop-up showing you all the categories that book is listed in. Also, if you want to see all the categories for all the books in the results, you can click the Unleash the Categories button to see them all in one place, and even export the list of categories for all 10 books. Next, Rocket shows the author name and the number of days since it was first published. By the way, if you see a negative number for the age, that is because the book is currently listed for pre-order and will launch in that many days. Think of it as a T- countdown. Publisher Rocket also shows you the Amazon bestseller rank, whether or not the keyword is in the title or subtitle, the estimated daily sales, and the estimated monthly sales. If you'd like to check out the book sales page on Amazon, no problem. Just click this link here. And finally, if you'd like to export that information, go ahead and click the Export Competition Data button, name the file, tell your computer where you want it to be saved, and voila, you've got your data. With this, you can now look at each potential competitor, learn more about them, and how to beat them. This concludes our look at the Competition Analyzer of Publisher Rocket. In the next video, we'll take a look at the category search feature and how to use it.